Onions belong to the Allium family of plants that also includes garlic, shallots, leeks, and chives. Onions are known for flavoring delicious savory dishes. And did you know that adding more onions to your diet is a great way to benefit your health? These flavorful bulbs contain a ton of nutrients that are essential for our overall well-being. Here are 16 impressive health benefits of onions. Welcome to Lifestyle Peak, where subscribers get loads of inspiration, entertainment, education, and fun. Let's dig in. Packed with nutrients. Onions are low in calories but high in vitamins and minerals. One medium onion has just 44 calories but delivers a considerable dose of minerals, fiber, and vitamins, particularly vitamin C, a nutrient involved in regulating immune health, collagen production, tissue repair, and iron absorption. 1 cup of chopped onions also provides at least 13.11% of an adult's recommended daily intake of vitamin C. Onions are also rich in B vitamins, including folate, B9, and pyridoxine, B6, which are very important in metabolism, red blood cell production, and nerve function. Onions are also packed with potassium required for normal cellular function, fluid balance, nerve transmission, kidney function, and muscle contraction. 2. It improves immunity. The antioxidants present in onions can help you strengthen your immune system. Its vitamin C content also acts as a powerful antioxidant in your body, protecting your cells against damage caused by unstable molecules called free radicals. Onion's chemical composition is so strong that it helps in immune enhancement and fight against cancer, and this is covered by the next health benefit here. 3. Onion contains cancer-fighting compounds. Eating onions has been linked to a lower risk of certain cancers, including stomach and colorectal. These cancer-fighting properties have been linked to the sulfur compounds and flavonoid antioxidants found in allium vegetables like onions. Onions provide onionin A, a sulfur-containing compound that has been shown to decrease tumor development and slow the spread of ovarian and lung cancer. Onions alone, however, do not prevent cancer, but combined with other lifestyle factors can help reduce the risk. 4. It is great for those with respiratory problems. In most cases, allergies cause respiratory problems. Onion is an anti-allergen. Eating onion has a relaxing effect on the muscles of the isolated trachea, which helps the patients of asthma breathe easily. This is because of the presence of flavonoids. 5. Heart health. With antioxidants and compounds that fight inflammation, onions help decrease triglycerides and lower cholesterol levels that lowers the risk of heart disease. Onions are a rich source of flavonoids and thiosulfonates. These potent anti-inflammatory properties may help reduce high blood pressure and protect against blood clots. The flavonoids in onion help in reducing bad cholesterol in your body. The thiosulfonates are known to keep the consistency of the blood right, much like a blood thinner. Because of this, the risk of heart attack and stroke is reduced. 6. Onions are an excellent source of antioxidants. Antioxidants are compounds that inhibit oxidation, a process that leads to cellular damage and contributes to diseases like cancer, diabetes, and, as mentioned, heart disease. 7. Onions help control blood sugar. Want to regulate your blood sugar? Eat an onion. Yes, it is best to add onions to your food recipes. Eating onions may help control blood sugar, which is very helpful for people with diabetes or pre-diabetes. Certain compounds found in onions, such as quercetin and sulfur compounds, possess anti-diabetic effects. These compounds help decrease the levels of blood glucose, serum lipids, oxidative stress levels, increasing antioxidant enzyme activity and insulin secretion. 8. Antibacterial properties. For more than 100 years, onions have been used to fight off dangerous bacteria, such as Escherichia coli or E. coli, and Staphylococcus aureus, S. aureus. The flavonoid antioxidant found in onions, quercetin, is responsible for this bacteria-fighting benefit. 9. Onions give you healthy bones. Though dairy gets much of the credit for boosting bone health, many other foods, including onions, also help support strong bones. It's believed that onions help reduce oxidative stress, boost antioxidant levels and decrease bone loss, which may prevent osteoporosis and boost bone density. One onion contains 25.3 milligrams of calcium. Calcium equals strong bones, so adding this veggie to your salad can build better bone health. 10. Onions may boost digestive health. Onions are a rich source of fiber and prebiotics, which are necessary for optimal gut health. Prebiotics are non-digestible types of fiber that are broken down by beneficial gut bacteria. Gut bacteria feed on prebiotics and create short-chain fatty acids including acetate, propionate, and butyrate. These short-chain fatty acids strengthen gut health, boost immunity, reduce inflammation, and enhance digestion. Additionally, consuming foods rich in prebiotics helps increase probiotics, such as lactobacillus and bifidobacterial strains, which benefit digestive health. 11. Onions can give you good vision. The selenium in onion helps in the production of vitamin E, which in turn keeps conjunctivitis or eye problems at bay. In fact, some natural eye drops also contain extracts of onion juice. 12. Believe it or not, onions can improve your oral health too. Who would have thought, right? Many of us avoid eating onions because of the bad breath it leaves us with. But turns out, this bulb is good oral hygiene, thanks to its vitamin C content. Onions contain antibacterial and antimicrobial properties that help prevent diseases, not just in the body but in the mouth as well. Eating raw onions can strengthen the teeth and kill off harmful bacteria in the mouth. 13. It improves sexual health. Onion is known as one of the greatest aphrodisiac foods. It helps increase libido, and also strengthens the reproductive organs. Onions also increase the level of testosterone in the body, and help increase the sexual stamina. 14. Onions are good for skin and hair. Collagen provides structure to skin and hair. As a good source of vitamin C, onions may support the building and maintenance of collagen. It can give you glowing and ageless skin. Onions are packed with vitamins A, C, and E, which protect the skin from premature aging caused by free radicals. And since the vegetable is a powerful antiseptic, it can also shield the skin from bacteria that cause issues. The antimicrobial, antibacterial, and anti-inflammatory qualities of onion make it a powerful antiseptic that protects your skin from acne-causing bacteria and other skin infections. Onions can be used in the treatment of acne and pimples. And yes, onions can bestow you with healthy hair. Onions help in promoting hair growth. Onion juice is good for hair growth since onion contains sulfur, which is also found in amino acids. Onions contain keratin, which is sulfur-rich as well, and is required for strong hair. When applied to the scalp, onion juice provides this extra sulfur for stronger and thicker hair. 15. Onion helps in easing menopause symptoms. Onions help during menopause as they support the liver and get rid of the waste hormones. Taking enough calcium is also imperative during this period. 16. Blood pressure moderation. High blood pressure patients should cut back on salt and include more foods that are rich in potassium as it helps cancel out the ill effect of sodium. Onions has decent quantum of potassium. Onion also contains heart-healthy fibers, which is good to regulate blood pressure levels. Quercetin, a compound in onion skin, also had links to lower blood pressure. Now let's check out the risks in consuming onions. Onions pose few risks to the people who eat them. Some people may have an allergy or intolerance to onions. Anyone who experiences a reaction after eating them should be sure to seek medical attention. Since you're still here, here's a bonus fact for you: how to stop the tears. Ever wonder why the tears start streaming down whenever you slice an onion? This is due to the presence of a gas called synpropanethyl S oxide. This chemical is a compound liquid that acts as a lacrimatory agent, meaning that it causes tears or stings the eyes. To avoid this irritant, try moving your face farther away from the onion so the gas dissolves before reaching your eyes. You can also try chilling the onions for 30 minutes, then cutting off its top. Peel the outer layer of the onion and leave the root intact, as this part has the highest concentration of lacrimatory agents. Despite the tears that they can produce, onions can be a healthful addition to any eating plan. The overall eating pattern and lifestyle, however, are most important in disease prevention and good health. There you go, lifestyle peakers. Thank you so much for watching. Kindly give us a like, subscribe, and click the notification bell so you can be updated on our new videos. Please also comment below to let us know what you think. Bless and be blessed.